everyone, this is Sunburst, and I am back here playing Will You Press the Button, and I got someone to bring along this time. I'm welcoming Double Diamond to play with us.
Hello, every pony. I'm Double Diamond.
Alright, Double.
I just get...
You know how this game works?
No, I sadly don't.
Alright. Well, basically, you're just deciding if you're going to press a button on a certain situation or not. So, for example, it'll say, you will have this, but if so, then this will happen. And you have to decide whether you want to press the button or not.
Oh, okay. That doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, dude, it shouldn't be as hard as when I go downhill skiing and tread.
Yeah, I can imagine. I'll go ahead and start and give you a good idea. All right.
Sure, why not, Sunburst? I hope you... At least Party Favor's not here to talk about crispy chicken wings and the barbecue sauce.
Oh, dear Celestia. Alright. So, you will get a more pretty face, but everyone will hate your voice. Sounds like Featherbangs.
Yeah, Featherbangs.
Well, I don't want people to get annoyed with me. I don't think I'm going to press the button. And it seems 28% only press the button, and 72% don't. I'm glad people agree with me. Alright, here's this next one for you. You are reborn in the image that you want, any race, gender, or appearance you desire. You keep your personality and knowledge, but you are not born into the same family. Also, your lifespan is reduced to 50.
Oh. Wow, so I can be reborn into any pony or gender or species?
Yep, but you're not born into the same family. And your lifespan's reduced.
Oh, man. I don't want to die at the age of 50. That's too short to go.
Yeah.
No, I will not press it.
Alright. And looks like people are about half and half on this one. That's interesting.
Cool. That's gnarly, bro.
Well, I can see why people may have different viewpoints. Alright. Will you press the button? You get to meet any celebrity once a year for life, but you experience extreme back pain for a whole week after each visit.
Don't you get enough back pain as it is?
Well, depends. But, I don't know. It'd be cool to meet a celebrity once a year for life. Then again, I really don't want to put up with any kind of pain. So I'm not going to press the button. Let's see what people think. Once again, people are half and half on this.
Sorry about that. Double Diamond tried calling me and stuff, but I told him I'm busy right now. So I had to go mute.
You mean Party Favor?
Yeah, shit, why would I call myself?
I was about to say, is there a clone?
Wait, hold on, let me check. Thorax, quit trying to clone me!
Alright, so this one's for you. You have telekinetic power for the rest of your life, but every time you use it, you got a bad headache for 15 minutes.
Well, since I'm an Earth pony, I can't do magic. So... I guess I can't have to say I cannot press the button.
So far, 0 for 4 on pressing the button. And 80% say they would press the button. Wow, that's the largest margin I've seen yet. You might be in the unpopular opinions there.
I wonder when you're getting together with Starlight.
I'm working on it.
2 years later.
Shut up. Anyway. You can speak every language in existence, but you forget how to speak your native language for 24 hours every time you use another. This could be an upside if you watch anime. I really don't want to give up on speaking English.
Breaking the fourth wall, I watch anime.
breaking the fourth wall. Yes, I do.
Back to character.
What are you guys doing here? Anyway, jeez. You know what? I mean, if I only lose it for 24 hours, there are translators and stuff. I'll take the risk. And it looks like a lot of people seem to agree.
That's good. There would be no upset anime fan.
Exactly. Alright. For you, you become Mario, but you work in Italy as a plumber.
Okay, I have to break the fourth wall for this one. I have to go talk to my voice actor, John. John, can you fill in? Sure, Double.
Will you press the button? Become Mario. It's me, Mario.
Oh no!
You work in Italy as a plumber. Oh no! Well, I guess I meant to press the button. So yes, I will press it.
Wham! Press the button. Yeah, and you're not in Smash. Neither am I. Anyway.
Mamma mia!
32% of people would have pressed the button.
Oh my god.
This one just like popped out of nowhere. It's just like, you become Mario, but you work in Italy as a plumber. It's just like, oh, okay.
Oh man, that was great.
That was.
Oh shit, we better go back to you, talk to Double Diamond. I
thought we were running the show here.
Sorry.
It's okay. Another Harry Potter one. Just like in the last time. You get your Hogwarts acceptance letter, but you will have to give up on all electronics forever.
Hey, Sunburst. You look like Harry Potter.
Oh my god. With the glasses, but he doesn't have a goatee. I mean...
Harry Sunburst.
You're a wizard, Sunburst. And this is half and half, too. I'm not pressing the button, because, again, my voice actor doesn't watch Harry Potter. He hasn't seen any of the movies. I've seen one, like, years ago. So?
I was seeing them all.
Ha! What do you know? Alright, Double. You'll be able to turn invincible, walk through solid objects, and teleport to any location within eyesight once a day for three what? It cut off. Three days? Months? Years?
Well, I guess that, well, all these questions are aiming towards you because you're a unicorn.
Yeah. Every time you do so, you will lose a cherished memory and forget everything you did the last time.
No, I will not press the button.
Yeah, me neither. I'm out. 68% will not press the button. You become an immortal god and lead warriors on crusades through the galaxy. This sounds like Star Wars. But, excuse me, your son will strike you down and you will be a catatonic state for 10,000 years. I can't English.
Definitely Star Wars. Will he press the button?
Be careful, YouTube might copy strike us. I don't want my future son to strike me down and put me in this state, so I'm gonna just back away.
I'm gonna go. You know, Starlight's probably watched recording.
Yeah. I'm sure my mom would love me to have a son, so she can have grandfoals. Anyway, okay. I'll leave this one for you. You can stop time, but every minute you spend with time stopped will take away 1 hour of your life. Seconds add up, so you can't always stop at less than a minute.
No. Not pressing the button.
Yeah, I don't feel like taking time off my life. And, people are half and half on this as well. This is what happens when you can't make up your mind. Okay, you live forever, but you still age?
What? That doesn't make sense.
So what? You're gonna be 1,000 years old and you're just a wrinkly bag at that point? I mean...
Kind of like Celestia?
Whoa, dude. No. Come on, man. Don't say about Celeste. She looks good for 1,000.
I'm just kidding.
Hope you are. Anyway. I don't know. This doesn't really make sense.
Oh, what fun is there in making any sense? Just pick something already. I'm watching. It's getting boring.
Fine. I'll press the button. And 35% press the button. Okay. Okay. I don't know what downside there is to this one. Glee will finally be canceled, but Game of Thrones is also canceled. Oh, wow.
Oh, great. I will not press the button.
Okay. I mean, I don't watch any of those shows, but once again, people are almost half and half, but more people actually would press the button. You never have a nightmare again and always have awesome dreams. That would be awesome. But sometimes you wake up in an unfamiliar classroom naked on test day. Why? What would you do to end up in that kind of situation?
Oh, just kind of like how Starlight turned you into a fool so you two could be in school again?
Oh, yeah. I think she wanted to bring back the old days and, try and not lose our friendship. But of course, we're not losing each other's.
I can hear my voice actor laughing his ass off now.
Of course he is. Well, I mean, here's the thing. When it says naked, we're ponies. We don't normally wear clothes, so we can get away with this.
You do.
All I wear is a cape. It's all good. I just wear it for appearance. Oh, wow, maybe I shouldn't have. 29%. I'm done with everything. Okay, here's yours. You will win the lottery, but you'll be poisoned by some jealous prick shortly after.
I think I'm gonna let my voice actor Jonathan answer this one again. John, can you just talk this?
Sure. What's up, Sunburst?
Can you read this in your most unique?
Oh, sorry. I mean,
Hey, what are you?
Write script. Yo, what's up, Double Diamond?
Can you narrate this for me? I just don't feel like reading. I want to embarrass you.
Wait, why do you want to embarrass me?
Because you're kind of embarrassing me.
Fine, I'll read it. But I'm breaking the magic by doing this. All right. You will win the lottery, but you will be poisoned by some jealous prick shortly after. I have a lot of jealous pricks. Winning the lottery would be kind of cool, because then I could travel, I could help pay out the mortgage, I can do all that good stuff. But then I have to worry about constantly people trying to kill me. But then, of course, I could always ask security, and there is cures for poison.
True.
This is a hard one, dude.
This really is.
I'll go for it. I don't mind having. Go for it. I will press that button.
All right. 35% would press the button. 65% wouldn't.
I guess you better start looking up security.
Shut up, Sunburst. Shut up, Double Diamond.
Let's see. You will never die painfully? but you have to give yourself an injection every other day. It never really specifies what kind of injection.
Yeah, bend over. That kind of injection.
Oh, no thank you, man. No thank you. I don't feel like sticking a needle in me every day. You only die once. I'm not gonna press the button. And people are half and half on this. Okay, you get to be in a video with the YouTuber of your choice, PewDiePie. It's only for a minute, and you don't remember who you are.
Is this one for me?
Yep.
Well, actually, you know what? I decided I wanted both voice actors to answer this one, Alex and John.
All right then.
Oh, again? Fine.
Go ahead. Okay. I mean, if I were to pick a YouTuber, oh man, so many choices to be with. I actually would press the button, even if it's only for a minute. They don't remember me. You know, I got to be in someone's video. Like, what if I did like a 1-minute meme review on PewDiePie's channel?
That'd be hilarious.
That would be great. I'll be like, next meme.
I would love to do this as well because I would love to possibly get to meet Markiplier, even if it's my name afterwards. It'd be really cool because Markiplier's a really great guy and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I'll press the button. Why not?
Yeah, let's press it. And 56% would press the button. Let's do a couple more here. Know and you can know and can understand... What? Know and can understand every language on Earth. You cannot speak any of them, but you cannot speak any of them except your native language?
Which would mean English.
So basically, I can understand the languages, but I can't speak any of them except for English.
That kind of sucks.
Yeah, I mean, if you know and understand it, but you can't speak it, I don't know. I think speaking it would be better off, so I'm not going to press the button. And 69%, nice. So I press the button.
It's a 69.
Nice. Alright, let's do one last one here. You will gain infinite power of all kinds, a god among men. But you have to defeat the powers that be in a sick rock off every 10 days to keep these powers. No missing it regardless of where you are at the time. What?
Huh?
This doesn't make sense. You have to defeat the powers that be in a sick rock. Do you want to just get this one and get something else?
This sounds like a question for Discord.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, hold on, let me get him. Hey, Discord.
Yes?
Can you answer this question?
Okay, why not? Let's see here. You will gain an infinite power of all kinds, a god among men. Well, I kind of already am, because I'm Discord, the Lord of Chaos. You have to defeat the powers to be in a sick rock every 10 days to keep these powers. No missing it, regardless of where you are at the time. Huh. Well, if I do this every day, I'm gonna miss my team times with Fluttershy. I have no idea. No, you know what? I have enough power as it is. I'm not gonna press the button.
Okay then. And 58% say they would press the button. Okay, let me do one more. You're extremely rich, but you have no time to spend it, and it doesn't benefit you, only the people around you.
Well, Sunburst, you'd be helping people.
Yeah, I mean, I would donate to, those who are in need and those who, need help. So, I'd be okay with that. And so would 56% of people. And I think we're done today. Don't you think?
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Celestia, because some of these questions were really driving me nuts.
Yeah, and that's the objective of the game. It really makes you think, like, would I do this? But
Well,
then I have to do this.
We even had to get Discord in here to help us.
Yeah, that's how tricky this game can get if you have to get the Lord of Chaos in here.
And we even had to even get our freaking VAs to help us.
Yeah, I know, I wasn't expecting that.
Well, this was fun. You gonna do the outro or what?
Sure, I'll do the outro. Alright, so from Double Diamond and myself, Sunburst, thank you so much for watching us play Will You Press the Button? See you next time.
Stay frosty.